Hey guys, just want to welcome you back to another video. And today is June 1st, and that means it is release day for Dawn at Shiny Silver Treasures. Today is release day for her latest card kit collection, which is Tribal Treasures, and this is so much fun. Oh my goodness. Just a quick overview. I'm not going to be doing a standard unboxing, but there will be a link to the unboxing video that Dawn has up on her channel. So if you want to go check that out, you're free to stop here if you want to and just pop over. Again, you can use the link to her channel down in the description. And again, today's release is Tribal Treasures. And I say it all the time, and I will continue to say it every time we think Dawn cannot outdo herself. Here we go yet again. This is another super fun, super versatile, super different card making collection, as well as her papers and stuff that go along with it. And so when we were talking at our last meeting, she had the idea to put us all on doing a vlog hop, and that will include the gals that are on Facebook and Instagram. And if it's not a video, there will at least be pictures of what they've done to participate in this hop. So it's mostly a vlog hop, but it does include all of us on the design team. And the challenge that she gave us was that we had to use the stencil out of the kit, one of the pages, and one of the masks that is included. And if we can use only stuff from the kit, that's perfect. But if we bring in other stuff, that was okay too. We just needed to be sure to use these 3 items. So most of the stuff, with the exception of the inks, of course, and the paper that I did this art journal project on, everything else was primarily from this kit or remnants, since it's a stash busting year, from some of Dawn's prior kits that have been out. And this was so much fun. I really, in addition to the stash busting, I'm really trying to push myself out of the comfort zone. I think we all are, from what I've been seeing in all the videos and the pictures and stuff, that we're just having an absolute ball, stash busting, pushing ourselves out of it. And this kit definitely gave us another opportunity to move outside. So, like I said, my version for the block hop is an art journal page. And I'm going to put the rest of this to music, but hopefully you guys have fun with this. This is so freaking fun. Oh my God. And definitely check out all the gals' links in the description box below. If you don't currently follow them, please subscribe, and as to Dawn's channel as well, because that's the best way you're going to be able to stay in the loop with everybody, especially when we're doing stuff like this where it's a group project. And that way you won't miss out. So, like I said, all the links will be in the description. All the links for Dawn's websites and everywhere that you need to get a hold of her will be down in the description. And again, I don't mind if you want to go check out this Tribal Treasures kit. Hit the link in the description and it'll take you to her website. And then don't forget to check out all the other tons of amazing fun stuff that she has, especially in her new resin collection. She has been... Oh man, definitely check out her videos. She has 2 channels. I believe I have them both linked in the description. If not, I will fix that. And that's where she does all the things that are not paper crafting related. So you definitely want to go check out all the great stuff that she has. So I'm going to stop here. And again, this is my version of the video hop, or the vlog hop, that was this month's challenge. So this is what you're seeing in place of my usual unboxing. And I'll probably chat in other videos about what's included in the kit, but I'm not doing an official blog or unboxing. So, because I think going forward, that's what we're all going to be doing. And Dawn will handle the unboxing and all the information you need to do with that. And then we'll give you just like an overview and basics. And I'm pretty sure we'll be doing this vlog hop thing with her releases and stuff going forward for the foreseeable future. So if you guys enjoy those, which are always so much fun to watch, to see where people take the same crafting items and they make something completely different. And that's another thing that we all love when we get sneak peeks of each other's stuff is we can be using the exact same thing and come up with all different things, all different crafted items. So, okay, long-winded intro aside, I'm going to kick the rest of this over to music. So hopefully you guys have fun, enjoy the video. Always feel free to craft along because it is so much fun hanging out with you guys. Take care, stay safe, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next video.